Nwa Jesus you hear every day. You hear Nwa Jesus, there is names before Nwa Jesus. In the days of football, people give me a nickname, Bamijo. You will hear Bamijo Nwa Jesus. So that one is the one who used to play football then. People are answering as they go, this and that. I decided to give myself title name Nwa Jesus. My title name is Nwa Jesus. I'm a titled man in Christ. I diverted to clearing business, clearing and forwarding. From clearing and forwarding, I enter into property business. From property business, I enter into oil and gas business. Oil well lease. I lease out oil wells for people like Atoeze and many others. That's why we are making the money you see. Maybe some people are thinking, what is Nwa Jesus doing? I do a lot of good businesses. As a young man of between 19 years plus to 20 years, I've started traveling abroad myself. I bought a Mercedes Concorde. At that time, people are looking at me. What is this young man doing? Is he into drug business? Is he doing 419? In the morning, I'm in Abuja. In the evening, I'm in Dubai. So I go around looking for new business to do. So if you check me today, since 1997 till date, is it not up to 29 years, getting to 30 years? I'm doing business. So somebody who does business for like 30 years supposed to have something to show off. So if you see me, maybe my convoy is moving, you see convoy, and you're a guy of 20 years, you want to be like Nwa Jesus today, is it possible? In landed property, selling landed property, not even building, I started building newly. But anything about large expanse of land, I'm one of the number one. If you will know, it's not everybody that knows, but it's my business. From Chevron to Lekki Phase 1, Viera, Ikoyi, I'm there. So that's why some people are surprised. How is this guy doing business? What is he doing? I'm into full-time property business. Though I don't have time to go around, but if you want to go around, we can go to, you see some of my buildings, the new ones we are building, they are there. Some of our estate down there in Orange Island, you see Oyster Island, we are there. Every December, I push people up by giving them money. Like this December, I give up to 50 people or 1 million. Who is doing, I don't give people starters money. Before I will give you money as a starter, you will go and learn a trade. I am a man who have so many lifestyle. I wear expensive clothes. I ride expensive vehicles. But there are some certain things I cannot do. Do you understand? Supporting Aswaju, or people think because our brother is coming out, that we must. It's not a must now. It's about choice. And you have no right to decide who I will support. Let's make business people governor. People who have done business. A governor who is a businessman is different from a governor who is only educated. You can be educated as a governor, but you don't have ideas. But when you see a man who have done business, succeeded, he have a lot of vision. He will develop a lot of things. So the business people should open their eyes. This is time for them to move into the political arena to go and make differences. They should not leave it for people they believe they go to. Which school they went to? Some are the same secondary school we went to, they went to. Have small degree they went to do in Open University. All this. No, don't be deceived. People from the business, original business people should start coming out for politics. Nothing is there.
This is one of the projects. This is one of his estates being developed by Nwa Jesus. Bamijo Nwa Jesus na Alor. Anu nyilo nyo sanantacha. Idemili. Do you know what it takes you to get a piece of land here? Talk of buying the land and developing it inside Lekki Phase 1.
We have about 140 something markets in Lagos. Different markets. So join with the Eastern Zone market. You see that you have millions of people. So in 100,000 billions of naira. So you bring money, market people will bring money to challenge. So I want to open the eyes of business people to consider politics. If you see people like us, you are calling us Sabo because we know government. Without government, what can you do? Even the day Biafra will be shared, is it not government who will share it? Yes, they will sit down, share it, everybody will go. So if you don't have knowledge of things, ask the people who have the knowledge to tell you. So I don't see a reason why you will be calling people who believes in that they work with government, they are saboteurs. Who would they work with? Are you government?
This is another project going on inside Lekki Phase 1, being developed by Nwa Jesus, Bamijo Nwa Jesus. Anuyili Sanantacha na Alor, Idemili, Omeogo.
How can you send your son to university? He came back in December time, bring LS 570. Even bought some for you as a father. What is he doing? You send this child to school. After 1 or 2 years, he comes back with vehicles. I have one that built a hotel for the dad. The dad is managing the hotel. A small boy that have no shop or an office or being a graduate for the first time is building hotel, building houses in the village. And the father is so happy that the money have entered his compound. That what people think that he will not come to him have come to him in fraudulent way. And you think that the money will last. The day EFCC will come, they start calling one Jesus that their enemies have come. If you know me, you will know me for something. I don't go for money. That money you think that they will give us, we'll have the money already. I'm telling you, I'm not boastful. But if you check me out, you know that things I do it well. And before Asuwaju, I've been helping people. Asuwaju is not the person that gave me money I'm using to help people in my own community. So if you talk of getting money, we want to make money to sell you people. Sell you as who? Who is selling you? Time to go is now. But going is not, you wake up one morning, you start taking your things to the east. It's not what I'm talking about. Time to go is time to take investments, things back home, gradually.
Hello guys, this is Creative Law TV and we're live and direct here in Lekki. This is Lekki, Lagos. And we're here to see Chief Evangelist Okwudili Onuora, Nwa Jesus. Nwa Jesus na Alor. Bamijo Nwa Jesus na Alor. Anuyili Sanantacha na Idemili. Obukwa Omeogo na Alor. Ogaranya. And is a great personality. Somebody named of man if you know name. In or somebody that practices corona, or somebody that has different companies that employ our people. So we are here to see him so that he will tell us his beginning. You know, it's not only by convoy or going around dashing millions, but we always go to ask, how did it start? So let's go and hear from Nwa Jesus. You know what now? This is his office. So there is his office. Oh, so here. Kewelo so say kewelo anu we bunye onye usa o tachara onwe ya o ma tacha like anu anyi ya ntacha onya ka na ekwu okwu ka nje o mo mmadụ na carry bia because o mmadụ ka ejeje if ọ bụ no so gị mee o nwere ndị represent ebe ọ bụ na fano ọ bụ address ndị Alor now you cannot come to Alor and talk about people that represent Alor in Lagos. He representing Igbo is no more representing Alor alone. Is the Igbo elite. Is a billionaire with doings. If all of you designers, or there men know is man doing say above behind the scene. Let's go.
My name is Honorable Paul Okwudili Onuora, Nwa Jesus na Alor. Idemili. Abụ m onye Anambra State. After my school starts, 1996, I came to Lagos. In 1997, I started my business. One of my brother helped me to start a small business. So from that small business, which is business of cosmetics. From cosmetics, I enter into fashion business, female wears. From there, I got a business, a sample of a product called Tokyo Air Freshener from Indonesia. So I started importing air fresheners from Indonesia, and the business looked so good, and the profit in that business is so much at that time. So from that business, I established other businesses. And in the year 1998, 99, 2000, as a young man of between 19 years plus to 20 years, I've started traveling abroad myself. I bought a Mercedes Concorde. At that time, people are looking at me. What is this young man doing? Is he into drug business? Is he doing 419? But my brother, I don't know what is 419. I don't know what is drug business, even till today. I know what it takes for a grassroots businessman to grow to the next level. What you need is you need to have patience. You need to do research. When you are researching for new things in life, you make more profit. So from that business of importation, at a time, the business is not moving the way it used to be. I diverted to clearing business, clearing and forwarding. From clearing and forwarding, I enter into property business. From property business, I enter into oil and gas business. Oil well lease. I lease out oil wells for people like Atoeze and many others. Leasing of oil wells means if you have oil well, but you don't have the financier who will come to develop the well, our job is to go and scout for the people who have the money to drill. It's our job. So from there, we bring them, they will sign the deal with you. They will pay us our percentage. That's why we are making the money you see. Maybe some people are thinking, what is Nwa Jesus doing? I do a lot of good businesses. In property business in Lagos, in landed property, selling landed property, not even building. I started building newly. But anything about large expanse of land, I'm one of the number one. If you know, it's not everybody that knows, but it's my business. From Chevron to Lekki Phase 1, Viera, I'm there, doing my business as a businessman. You know, original businessman don't believe in advertisement all the time. All the time you are advertising, you are posting, I have land here, I have land there, I have land. No, we are selling land. Even the land is not even enough for our customers. People are calling, I want to buy, I have to sell every day. This morning somebody have called me. So every day of my life, I do businesses. I don't need to come and showcase the business on the social media for you to know I'm doing business. It's not every land I have I will put on the social. I will not go to my page. I will not even know how to do that advertisement. But I'm selling every day. So that's why some people are surprised. How is this guy doing business? What is he doing? I'm into full-time property business. Though I don't have time to go around, but if you want to go around, we can go to, you see some of my buildings, the new ones we are building, they are there. Some of our estate down there in Orange Island, you see Oyster Island, we are there. So, and why Jesus you hear every day? You hear why Jesus, there is names before why Jesus. In the days of football, people give me a nickname, Bamijo. You will hear Bamijo Nwa Jesus. So that one is the one who used to play football then. So but people are getting title, people are answering as they go, this and that. I decided to give myself title name Nwa Jesus. My title name is Nwa Jesus. I'm a titled man in Christ. So if you know me very well, you will put Evangelist Paul Onuora for me. So anywhere you see my name, you will see that. Some are putting chief. I'm not a chief. Evangelist Paul Okwudili Onuora. Because in the kingdom of God, I'm a ranking member of God. I'm an evangelist. So that's why my title name is in Christ. Nwa Jesus, Son of Jesus. So many people are wondering why this man chose to be answering Nwa Jesus. Many people ask me, this Nwa Jesus, Jesus is not for only you. I say, no, it's my title name. If you want to bear the same name, you can bear it in your own community. So in my community, they know me as Nwa Jesus Alor. And I'm happy to identify with Christ anywhere I go. And I prove the love of God anywhere I go all the time. So, and all the same, there are some certain things about Nwa Jesus. Nwa Jesus is somebody who believes in hard work, working hard. In the morning, I'm in Abuja. In the evening, I'm in Dubai. So I go around looking for new business to do. I don't believe that somebody can go anywhere, they do something, you start having money. So if you check me today, since 1997 till date, is it not up to 29 years, getting to 30 years? I'm doing business. So somebody who does business for like 30 years, supposed to have something to show off. So if you see me, maybe my convoy is moving, you see convoy, and you're a guy of 20 years, you want to be like Nwa Jesus today, is it possible? It's not possible. So that's why all these people doing ablakata will be using them. Bring this one, I will do something, you have money. It's not that way now. That person doing something for you to have money, have his brothers, sisters, he should do it for them. As a young man, learn how to, you must have something doing. If you are my friend, if you say you want to be under me, I will mentor you. The first thing I will ask you as a person, what do you do for a living? You say you are trying to do. I say, no, you cannot trying to be. You must be doing something. If you don't know how to do something, you can go to any shop and be running around there to learn and to be making small money. Even in this office, we are looking for workers. You don't see good workers. I know what it takes me to recruit workers working with me now. I know many of my friends who are looking for reliable people that will serve them, and they are willing to settle them well. But people want to make money quick. People want to make money now. Have you seen a plant planted today? It grow today. Bear fruit today. Which, have you seen it before? Business is like that. You plant it today. You water it tomorrow. Next tomorrow, you continue to water it. Adding manure. When it will grow and bring fruits, people will only see the fruits. They will not see that the days when you are adding manure, adding water, guiding it, removing grasses around it, people will only see the fruits. So But the world is not been that way from the beginning. Even from our fathers, they will ask you, if you come back from the city and greet them, good afternoon, sir. I will say, how are you? Are you a son of who? You will call your father. Hey, sir, I know your father. What do you do in Lagos where you are living? You say you are doing business. He will tell you, continue with your business. Make sure you don't steal from people. Make sure you don't eat people's money. He will begin to advise you. He will begin to tell you things that will encourage you to do good. My father told me like 3 things. Don't take people's money. Don't tell lies. Don't do what? The third one, never you have anything as an affair with a married woman. That if you dodge these 3 things, that you will prosper. But you will see children of these days, they are following people's wife. So, why you see untimely death, you see people, they cannot go far. They cannot do anything in life. It works for them. Because when they are young of 20s, they have started sleeping with people's wife. Some are engaged in eating people's money. They are eating people's money. What they do is to eat people's money, believing that nothing will happen. But many things will happen. Being a straightforward human being in the beginning, people will see you like a nobody. People will see you like you don't know anything. People will see you like you are not a guy. But at the later end, people will see that you are the winner. Because anything, people will say, go to him, he will tell you the truth. Go to him, he will tell you the truth. Go to him, he will. So being a good person pays a lot at the end. But at the beginning, people will not even recognize you. And the people of this our generation, these days, they don't appreciate genuine people. They appreciate people who will tell them what they want to hear. But at the ending, they start complaining. So what am I talking about? That is good for somebody to know the good and bad. And whatever you do today, the payback will come tomorrow. Because if you look at, if you are a church person, if you study the word of God, Luke 6:38 say, give, it shall be given unto you. Good measure, together. He say, the same measure you use, the same measure they will use back to you. So whatever you do, if you do good, good will come back to you at the later end. If you are doing bad, you will see bad. So you start complaining that this thing is happening, this thing. Remember what you have done as a person. What you have done is causing many things for you. That you are a genuine person does not stop you in being a billionaire. You can be a billionaire as a child of God, as a genuine person. Only what you need is the idea. God will even give you a common idea that will make you to be on the top of the world as a businessman. Because idea comes like a dream, it comes like a vision. You will see it, you see what people cannot see at a particular time. You use the idea to become a billionaire. It's not about being into fraud business, Yahoo, 419. I mean, it can make you to be big. Many of our senior brothers have done 419s. They ran, they didn't stay long, they don't have long life. The money, even the people remaining now, their money finished. They become so poor that you cannot recognize them on the road when you see them. They go and check genuine business people you know from the beginning. Even some people have died. Their money continue with their children because they genuinely made the money. And the businessman who is a genuine businessman, people will think he's coming down. He may come down in things he's importing or he's doing, but very soon you see him divert to another level of business and he continue to grow. A genuine businessman doesn't come down quick. After 30 years, you will still hear his name. After 40 years, he's still, even at old age, he's still there doing business. Because there is idea he has that people who have not passed through business world, they don't have it. Even I'm advising our people, if we are making governors in by 2027 or and beyond, let's make business people governor. People who have done business. A governor who is a businessman is different from a governor who is only educated. You can be educated as a governor, but you don't have ideas. But when you see a man who have done business succeeded, he have a lot of vision. He will develop a lot of things. And I'm advising business people who have seen the four wall of the school, who have made it, to start coming for politics. They should not be afraid again. Because the business people have the money to sponsor anybody from the business world, even from the market. They have the capacity to overthrow anybody they want to overthrow, because once they concur and say, we are supporting this, it's our person, everybody will bring even small money. You have billions to sponsor the person. So the business people should open their eyes. This is time for them to move into the political arena to go and make differences. They should not leave it for people they believe they go to, which school they went to. Some are the same secondary school we went to, they went to. Have small degree they went to do in Open University, all this. No, don't be deceived. People from the business, original business people should start coming out for politics. Nothing is there. It's only business people don't know what is cartel. Yes. When business people realize that you have cartel of business people, this is our own, we must support him. Who will stand? Trade fair, Alaba market, all the markets, we connect even with market in the east. This is a businessman. How many people is in the east with our business people? So when business people single somebody out, this is original genuine businessman. He have never done anything fraud in his business, so he will be good as a governor. Let's champion him. One hand is going there. If you bring out money, we'll bring money for money. Because even 20, 100,000 billions will be there. Do you know how many million people inside Lagos market? We have about 140 something markets in Lagos. Different markets. So join with the Eastern Zone market. You see that you have millions of people. So in 100,000 billions of naira. So you bring money, market people will bring money to challenge. So I want to open the eyes of business people to consider politics when they have a good candidate who will not disappoint. The market people will support. So let the market people learn how to support their own. They should not be doing anything. This is educated. This person is educated. This person, no, there is people educated inside the market arena. They are graduates. So let them turn their eye towards the market zone. That good people are there. They should not leave it for anybody. Politics is not for any particular group of people. Only people who went to school have become this and this. No. Business people who went to school also are there. And the business people also, they are afraid. I don't know why they are afraid. They should not be afraid. They should come out. We need them to come out. We need them. Speaking Queen's English is not the end of anything you are doing. After speaking long English, do you do anything? Do you succeed? Do you affect lives? Do you know how to develop things? A businessman knows how to do many things. Even non-educated ones who have not gone to school for a day, they can develop things because they have been there. And I want to also tell my fellow business people who are doing trading that there is an institution called Market Institution. It's a very big institution. If you pass the institution of trading and sales and succeeded for 10 years, 20 years, you're a professor in your own area. Yes. I tell people, even in real estate, that I have become a professor like 5 years back. I can forecast for you where you will make money in 5 years' time, 10 years' time. And I've bring some people, say, invest here, don't invest here, and they happen that way. What makes people a professor? Is it not what they know? Yes. So I'm a professor in my own field. So business people should not be deceived by the way they speak their English. Their English is not even is good or is bad. Let's go to the other side, other tribe, the other side of the north. How is their English look like? Well, they are politicians. So business people, I'm urging you, I'm calling you people out. Come and participate in politics. It's time. People who have nothing, they can show off because they go to one college of education or one small university. They will be coming to tell us. What are they telling us? What do they know? They know nothing about life and things. And once they continue to tell us they will do this, have they done it? Many of them come to the market people, we sponsor them, we give them even money. They have never even come back to say, we will do this, we will do. They have not done anything. So I want to urge the traders, the people they see as local traders. Yes. They are champions. You are champions anywhere you are. Because without you, nobody can repair their cars anymore in Nigeria. Without traders, people cannot. Toyotas cannot be repaired. From Ladipo, from Aspanda, from all the vehicles in Nigeria is being repaired through these local traders. And they are calling you, they are local traders. No, you are not local traders. You people are professionals. You people are even professors in your businesses. So I'm telling you people that you are wonderful people. You see market people, local traders as they call them, they are wonderful people. Without some local people, even foodstuff cannot be supplied. Yes. So the engineering room of even the Nigerian as a country, if you remove business people, the country is left without. You're a professor in the office. You can't be in the market at the same time. Yes. So it's division of labor. Business people are covering more than 55% of Nigerian need. Yes. Even the injections, without the people selling drugs inside the market, you can't buy injections. Yes. Doctors are there in the hospital who will import the medicine. Is it not the same local business people? Yes. So I urge them to come and bring out people who have integrity, who have self-control, who have all it takes to make business to work. Let them come and be in politics. It's my advice. Igbo boy, I'm a patron to the Igbo boy. It's a group of people who come together to look at the Igbo boy stuff. People are rejecting Igbo boy. People are not interested. People see it as people doing it. They don't have anybody to sponsor them. They don't have anybody to. That's why they decided to go for the Igbo boy. No, these people say, we want to change the narratives. We want to make it as a network, as a team. You need somebody who will serve you. You come. You want to serve somebody, you come. So they will make agreement between you and the person. This person will serve you for 5 years. He will serve you, not slave. He will not, it's not your slave, but he will serve you. They will give condition to the master, give condition to the servant. Where in a way that nobody cheats each other, that nobody will even see the other person, it doesn't worth anything. So that's why they came. They are developing it. It will be like an app. It will be like a team. They have phone number where you can call. I want to serve. They will look for a good person for you. So that's why they came to me. I give them some fund to go and develop it. Because serving somebody, your father may have money. Some of our people that have a lot of money give their first son or second son to somebody to be under somebody, to learn how to do business. I've seen it. They will give the person, their father is a billionaire, but he wants his son to serve another person, even 6 months, 1 year. Yes, when your son or your daughter normally comes where you do business, they will now see how you talk to make even 1,000 naira gain. It gives them another narrative about life. That money doesn't fall from the tree. So that's why some people who will go to serve, it's not that there is nobody in their family to give them money, but go and learn a trade. When you learn a trade, you'll be a different person. It's another school itself. If you don't know how to serve, I don't think you will be humble in your business. And humility is one of the things that survives business. A customer can come with a loud voice, he will be shouting. You know how to calm the customer down. What you need is that money he's having. Yes. When you collect the money, you supply him. If he's talking on his own. But when you have not passed through the level of knowing how to call attention of your customer, even when he's angry, I don't think you will survive any business. And without learning how to do business, how a trade, you cannot save money. Let me tell you this. Go and check people who lavish money. Nobody passed through the learning of trade, boy. Go and check people. They waste the money, they squander money, they go to club and see me, I am a man who have so many lifestyle. I wear expensive clothes, I ride expensive vehicles, but there are some certain things I cannot do. Do you understand? Because I'm once a businessman. Give or take, I will tell you, you want me to go to somewhere to spend some money? No. I'll check that money. One or two, 20 million. I will give it to 20 people in my village who is doing business already. What they need is push. Like in December time, every December I push people up by giving them money. Like this December, I give up to 50 people or 1 million. Who is doing? I don't give people starters money. Before I will give you money as a starter, you will go and learn a trade. That's why some will go through our foundation. You learn how to start some. You will have handwork before I will give you money. So people I'm giving money is people who have already made business, but they don't have fund to move it forward. So when I give them money, they are good to go. They make money because they already have something doing. So but when you are giving somebody who have never in his life done any business, you give him money, that money will finish. Yeah. And they will tag you that you are one of the Okwudili people. Yeah. Because they will waste the money and give you bad name. But when they already made people who have many ideas, they have no funds, Once you give them money, after 1 year, they will be coming to bring you something, to greet you, to thank you. I have many of them who come this December to thank me of what I did for them previous years. They are doing well. So supporting people in starting business is good, but you must know what the person knows. If the person have not much knowledge, you take him somewhere he will go and learn, even if it's 6 months. That knowledge, any knowledge somebody who is experienced in business pass to you will take you for ages. It's an impartation. Somebody who have succeeded in business, done everything, when you serve him, he will impact one thing or the other, knowledge to you. So if you are starting any business for anybody, try and make that person to go and learn it. It's part of the Igbo boy we're talking about. That you serve somebody, he may not settle you, but you served him to take something from him. So I advise people. And also, what the parents of today is doing is uncalled for. How can you send your son to university? He came back in December time, bring LS 570. Even bought some for you as a father. What is he doing? You send this child to school. After 1 or 2 years, he comes back with vehicles. Before you know it, he call you, Father, where is my own portion of land I want to build? Undergraduate. And the father and the mother never asks, where do you get this money from? Is it a good thing? As a father, as a mother, your duty is to make sure that your children know the good and the bad. Some, if you try to ask them, what is your son doing? They say you are jealous in them. You think that only you want to be a billionaire in the community, that you're a wicked man. Because I ask questions. Undergraduate. I have one that built a hotel for the dad. The dad is managing the hotel. A small boy that have no shop or an office or being a graduate for the first time is building hotel, building houses in the village. And the father is so happy that the money have entered his compound, that what people think that he will not come to him have come to him in fraudulent way. And you think that the money will last. The day EFCC will come, they start calling one Jesus, that their enemies have come. The enemies have not come. You are the enemy of yourself. So people should learn how to ask their children, even the female and the male, where do you get money you are spending? If not, one day they will use your head to make that money. Yes. If you refuse to train your children will train you. If you refuse to train your children, they will be the one to train you as a father. So whatever they do to you, you take it. You are the cause. Open your mouth. Even people's children, rebuke them when you see them. They are not. You are friends' children. You are family members. Their children. It's your duty to tell them this thing you are doing is not good. They can go and tell. They can go and say anything about you. Time will tell. So don't keep quiet in your neighborhood. Tell the people, boy, what you are practicing will fail you. And when he will be failing you, your father and your mother may not be alive again because you will cry and cry and cry. Fraudulent or illegal businesses are not business. Paul Onuora Foundation have registration of over 2,000 people. We are training them in hundreds. We give them all it takes them to start their business. We'll give you the equipment. We'll give you the materials. So you start off your business. If you wish to. But if you don't wish to, because we make sure we train you up to 3 months and 6 months. You don't just we empower you, you go. No. You must be trained. If you are not, even if you don't pass our exams, we are not ready to empower you. Education will have over 200 and something students from university to secondary school. One Jesus free education is there. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, you go to the office there. We have office inside our foundation, so you meet both the education, free education, both the Paul Onuora Foundation. They are there. They are visible. It's not storytelling. They can show you the registers and receipts they used to pay for school fees. Everything is there. Also, we are not showcasing what we are doing. I'm just saying it for the first time. I've not posted it in any social media platform before. And I'm not willing to do so. If you are a good Igbo son, and the way things are going, you will tell yourself the truth. This is time. Time to go is now. Time to go is now. But going is not you wake up one morning, you start taking your things to the east. It's not what I'm talking about. Time to go is time to take investments, things back home gradually. I bet also tell our brothers inside the forest to come out, because they are scaring investors away. People who wants to come from America, UK to bring, some have the lands already, some have done foundations to start one factory or the other. Since they enter into the bush, even they pursued even the workers away. So our brothers that is inside the bush, I'm begging them, let them come out and join people who is coming back. They should welcome them. Because when that factory, when that industry, when that thing they are building is built, jobs are being created. Your brother, your sister, your in-law can have job from that place. And it saves you a lot of things as a person. So they need to bring out their mind and their heart and the love for Igbo land. Where is the love? You say you want Biafra, but you are killing the people of Biafra you want the Biafra for. You want to bring Biafra for us, but you are looking for our heads. Why are you pursuing our people? Why do you kill innocent people? Even children, even elderly women are being killed because of one thing or the other. If you see people like us, you are calling us Sabo because we know government. Without government, what can you do? Even the day Biafra will be shared, is it not government who will share it? Yes, they will sit down, share it, everybody will go. So if you don't have knowledge of things, ask the people who have the knowledge to tell you. So I don't see a reason why you will be calling people who believes in that they work with government, they are saboteurs. Who would they work with? Are you government? You are inside the bush. If you are government, you should be at the government headquarters now. You will not be inside the bush. Yeah. So they should allow things to flow. Let our people be happy again. Let Southeast boom. Because when there is peace, there will be prosperity. What I have to say about it is our youths, if they know what is power, and if they know what is government, and if they have the vision, they will know that come sun, come rain, you must support one person. And politics is a game of choice and a game of interest. Igbo people have been supporting other candidates before time. Tinubu is not the first Yoruba person Igbo people have supported, is supporting or who are about supporting now. Obasanjo is a Yoruba man, they supported him. And also, Obasanjo, I don't think he left our Igbo people without any benefits. In his administration, our people are there. So, supporting Aswaju, or people think because our brother is coming out, that we must. It's not a must now. It's about choice. And you have no right to decide who I will support. Let me tell that the youth, they should mind what they say for today, because tomorrow they will be in that position and they cannot be able to run away from it, because condemning people is not the best. You condemn people. I put Aswaju cap on my head. I have not said anything. Aswaju, I have known Aswaju before now. So if somebody is somebody you know and you wear the same cap he's wearing, does it mean that you convince, do I convince them to vote for Aswaju? I've not said anything. They started insulting people. Is it the way forward for our Igbo youths? It's not the way forward. You may be thinking that you are too, what adjective do I use to qualify this? You are brave insulting people. Being insultive is not bravery. Insulting people is not part of bravery. Bravery is somebody who wants to know, who wants to go as far as to make research, to know the reason why these people are supporting the person they are supporting. If you want to know, you can call the person, you can chat the person. And if you are supporting another person and you don't want us to support our own candidate, in a way, who gives you the power? Do you believe because you are in social media to insult people, you will change what is about to happen? You cannot change it. You're only making noise. And that your noise will not be heard. Your noise will be heard when you call that your brothers. I want to see you people as a youth. Talk to us. What is going on? So, the same thing the elders are telling us before now, that what will they see while sitting down? When you are on top of a tree, you cannot see it. It still happens today. Yeah. We have seen things. We have seen things. We know many things. So we can be able to come to the social media to be telling you things. If you want to know things, try to meet us. We will explain things that will be, tomorrow it will benefit you as an Igbo youth. If you know me, you will know me for something. I don't go for money. That money you think that they will give us, we'll have the money already. I'm telling you, I'm not boastful. But if you check me out, you know that things I do it well. And before Aswaju, I've been helping people. Aswaju is not the person that gave me money I'm using to help people in my own community. So if you talk of getting money, we want to make money to sell you people. Sell you as who? Who is selling you? You have sold yourself. Some of the people talking, some people are practicing Yahoo. Some people are into various bad things. And you have sold yourself. Not we selling you. So the youth should mind the way they talk to people. They should be mindful of what they are saying. Tomorrow is too big. Tomorrow you can see the same person insulting you on social media in your office. You can see them where you can be able to do something for them. Because they choose insult, you leave them. So they should stop doing that thing they are doing on the media, insulting people, calling people's name. Follow the person you want to follow. Nobody is arguing with you. It's choice. They look at the inward and know what that your brothers are saying. The support they are giving, are they giving it for their own sake? Or are they giving it for them to be given access? And when they got the access, everybody should be involved. Not only, everything is not selfishness. Everything is not about politics. So they should, if they wish to continue to insult people, it's their wish. But for me, they should come out, even they can do a town hall meeting where they will invite. We want to see you people, our brothers. We want to have words with you people. what you are doing, we want to know the reason you are doing them. Not insulting people. After insulting people, some will do fake account, come to your page to be insulting you. So, me, I'm not bothered. They can continue to do what they want to do, but they should not forget that tomorrow is pregnant. Nobody knows what tomorrow will be of.
Guys, this is one of the projects. This is one of his estates being developed by Nwa Jesus. Bamijo Nwa Jesus na Alor. Anuyili Sanantacha, Idemili. Always Omeogo na Alor. So he's the one building this house. This is great projects. Do you know what it takes you to get a piece of land here? Talk of buying the land and developing it inside Lekki Phase 1. So the reason why we are here to show you, because some of things what they see is convoy and cars. They don't see the work. If this is his work. One of the many also time is plenty. You know, I say that now. Only developing in a Victoria Island, only developing at Lekki, Aja, everywhere. You know, so this is the project. So this is another project going on inside Lekki Phase 1, being developed by Nwa Jesus, Bamijo Nwa Jesus, Anuyili Sanantacha na Alor, Idemili, Omeogo. You know, behind Alor far. A man with plenty doings. Obro Nasi. This is life and direct. This is inside Lekki. The second project I did, this is another site. The reason why we are visiting this is our 4-story building. Before you went develop. This is the landlords. Many landlords to people in Lagos, Abuja, Europe, London, everywhere. So, I just can't if I go to Lekki Phase 1 called it.